Do you, as a marketing professional, ever feel like your meticulously crafted content is simply lost in the digital din? You invest time, resources, and creativity, yet the desired engagement and conversion metrics remain elusive. It's a common challenge in today's saturated landscape, but the solution isn't more content, it's smarter content. This session is designed as a focused training module, equipping you with a proven framework to transform your content efforts from random acts of marketing into a strategic, results-driven engine. We'll explore a powerful three-step system inspired by the principles of From Zero to Content Hero that empowers you to build a truly engaged audience and amplify your brand's impact. The most fundamental principle for effective content marketing is often overlooked. The narrower your focus, the broader your potential impact. Trying to appeal to everyone dilutes your message and resonates with no one. This is about strategic segmentation. Consider the case of a B2B SaaS company that initially targeted all small businesses. Their content was generic, their engagement low. By shifting their focus to small e-commerce businesses struggling with inventory management, their content became hyper-relevant. This precision allowed them to address specific pain points, leading to significantly higher conversion rates and a more loyal customer base. Your content becomes indispensable when it solves a precise problem for a precisely defined audience. Once you've identified your ideal audience, the next critical step is to articulate your unique value proposition with crystal clarity. Forget convoluted mission statements or corporate jargon. Your brand needs a magnetic message that instantly communicates relevance and benefit. The formula is elegantly simple. I help X achieve Y so they can Z. Here, X is your specific target audience, Y is the tangible result or solution you provide, and Z is the ultimate emotional or business transformation they experience. For instance, a marketing agency might say, we help B2B tech startups generate qualified leads so they can accelerate their sales pipeline and secure crucial funding rounds. This statement isn't just a description, it's a compelling promise that immediately resonates with their ideal client. Consistency and strategic alignment are hallmarks of successful content operations. The content engine provides the operational framework to move beyond sporadic posting to a predictable, high-value content stream. This system comprises two essential components for any marketing team. First, establish an idea bank. This is a centralized, accessible repository for every content idea, audience question, industry insight, or competitive analysis. It's a living document that ensures no valuable thought is lost, serving as a rich resource for future content development. Second, implement a content calendar. This isn't just a schedule, it's a strategic roadmap. Plan your content themes and distribution channels for the next 30 to 60 days, aligning each piece with your one-sentence superpower and your target audience's needs. This systematic approach ensures your content is always relevant, timely, and impactful. To recap this training, first, pinpoint your one person to ensure your content is hyper-targeted and efficient. Second, craft your one-sentence superpower to clearly articulate your unique value proposition and resonate deeply with your audience. Finally, build your content engine to operationalize your content creation, ensuring consistency, quality, and strategic alignment. This framework isn't about chasing fleeting trends. It's about building a sustainable, authoritative brand voice that drives measurable results. It's about transforming your content from a cost center into a strategic asset. Ready to apply these powerful principles to your marketing efforts? As your first actionable step, take a moment to craft your brand's one-sentence superpower using the I help X achieve Y so they can Z formula. Share your statement in the comments below. Let's refine your message together. If this training has provided valuable insights for your professional development, please like this video and subscribe for more strategic marketing frameworks. Empower your content, empower your brand.